Yo, what's going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. As you see, we got Silver Sonic Warhead. It's by Phantom Brand Fireworks. Going to be doing a demo. The performance reads, it says green tail up to silver coconut brakes. That's pretty much all the description is on this one. I never done this one yet, so there you go. My plan is to take these red tops off probably before I shoot it off, just because there's less mess. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the demo of the Silver Sonic Warheads by Phantom Brand Fireworks. It's a 12-shot, 200-gram cake by Phantom. So anyways, without further ado, let's get on to the demo. All right, guys, here goes Silver Sonic Warhead by Phantom Brand Fireworks. Silver Sonic Warhead, 200-gram, Phantom Brand Fireworks. Ooh. Damn, this cake is hard. Not bad. If you see that Phantom Fireworks, definitely pick it up.